Good morning, students. Our next topic is farming in the village, Palampur. So, farming is the most important activity in the Palampur, you all know. Almost 75% of the working population is involved in farming activities. And the story of village Palampur is incomplete without these farming activities. So, one of most important to notice in the village is that for a long time there has been increase in the land area which is under cultivation. Okay, so many wasteland means जो परती भूमि होती है जिसको कृषि नहीं किया जाता है, तो मैनी वेस्टलैंड्स वेयर कन्वर्टेड टू कल्टिवेबल लैंड है ना। जो भी वेस्ट लैंड है, जो परती भूमि, उसको ऐसा कल्टिवेशन के लिए जो है उसे बनाया जाता है उसे, ठीक है। But there exists no further scope to increase this land under cultivation. As a measure, the people in the village have started cultivating more crops on the same land. Okay, so all the cultivable used throughout the year. No land is idle in Palampur village. Okay, during winter or Rabi season, people grow wheat and sugarcane, while during Kharif season, you all know Kharif season, or you can say after the April, May, June, that is called Kharif season, people grow bajra and jawar. Between the months of October and December, people cultivate potatoes. Okay, and the main reason as to why farmers are able to grow multiple crops throughout the year. So students, why they grow multiple crops throughout the year? बिकॉज ड्यू टू द अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इन द विलेज। ओके, बिजली की जो व्यवस्था थी वो बहुत सुदृढ़ थी, बहुत अच्छी थी। डेट्स वाई द इरीगेशन सिस्टम हैज़ बीन वास्टली इम्प्रूव्ड ऑल्सो, एंड द लैंड्स ऑन विच इरीगेशन इज़ बीन डन हैज़ इम्प्रूव्ड एफिशिएंसी। जो लैंड जिस पे ग्रो करना था वो उसकी जो एफिशिएंसी है ना, उसकी जो फर्टिलिटी रेट है उसको जो है काफ़ी इम्प्रूव कर दिया गया था। ड्यू टू मल्टीपल क्रॉपिंग, फार्मर्स आर एबल टू ग्रो मोर देन वन क्रॉप पर ईयर। Okay, they can grow on a same land many crops in a year. Okay, now all the farmers in the village grow at least 2 crops using the same land every year. Okay, initially tube wells were introduced by government, but now people have been setting up their own tube wells by because the cropping is growing uh, very vastly. Okay, initially, modern farming methods have contributed to a large yield of crops. This higher yield is possible only due to combination of irrigation, HYV seeds, pesticides, chemical fertilizers, etc. So what is HYV seeds? We have already discussed in class 8th, that is agriculture chapter, that is high yielding seeds. Okay, so these combination uh, contributed highly yield in the irrigation. Okay, because of pesticides, chemical fertilizers, etc. So there is now a question, why land is fixed in Palampur. So here's the answer. 75% of people is depend on farming. Land area in the village under cultivation is fixed. Since 1960s there has been no expansion in land area under cultivation. Okay, no further scope to increase farm production, and the land is fixed for agriculture in the village. So the land is unevenly distributed among the farmers of the villages. Some farmers have large lands while some have very small piece of land, and others have no land at all. Just for example, Govind, a farmer in Palampur, had 2.25 hectare of land. After his death, his land is further distributed among his 4 sons. In this way, in every village, land is getting divided hereditarily into smaller and smaller. These divisions may result in poor and unsatisfactory production and leading to poor economic status to the country. Okay, so लैंड जो है, लैंड एरिया सभी के पास ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा होना चाहिए ताकि वो एक ही इंसान जो है ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रोडक्शन को कर सके। ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अगर डिवाइड होगा लैंड तो वो कम प्रोडक्शन होगा।